You may know Dell best for its computers, but Dell monitors offer a wide array of options and setups to cover just about any use case you can imagine. From hardcore productivity-oriented panels to gaming displays designed to max out frame rates and HDR colors, Dell makes dozens of monitors across several lines, which can make choosing the best one for your specific needs challenging. If you're looking for a new display and like the brand, we've compiled a list of the best Dell monitors for just about any kind of user. Number 1. Dell U4320Q. Right now, 32-inch monitors still feel like a flex. The Dell U4320Q delivers a whopping 42.5 diagonal inches of screen real estate for those who want to enable maximum multitasking on a single display. It displays a 4K on-screen image, received via HDMI or DisplayPort. The USB-C port outputs 95 watts of power, the most we've seen from a monitor. It's enough to charge power-hungry devices like a MacBook Pro. Despite its massive size, it still manages a 103p pixel density, which means it can display up to 4 unique programs at the same time while remaining crisp, clear, and readable. It's a solid alternative to running multiple monitors. But, because you can daisy-chain these massive displays, you could also hook up several of them and make a totally immersive workstation assuming your computer can handle pushing all those pixels. Is this overkill for most typical users? Yes. Will that make it even more appealing to other users? Of course. Number 2. Dell S2722QC. Dell's S2722QC makes the dream of a Dell monitor with USB-C connectivity a reality for many more people because of its low cost. It's possible to pick one up for under $300, but its price typically fluctuates within about $50. The most surprising feature of this monitor is its overall build quality. Dell used plastic, but both the S2722QC's stand and foot feel sturdy, even when intentionally wobbling the display around. This was true even when rotating the display 90 degrees or adjusting its height. In our tests, both of those ergonomic features made it possible to position the display to avoid neck strain. This monitor's USB-C port is the star of the show. Our 13-inch MacBook Pro never had a problem connecting or charging. Dell also included a pair of HDMI ports, 2 USB-A ports, and a headphone jack, which round out the S2722QC's port selection nicely. Those USB-A ports are especially handy if you want to connect a webcam and external hard drive to your machine when you plug your laptop into this display. Number 3. Dell SC2722HX. The SC2722HX boasts a spacious 27-inch screen with a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The 16:9 aspect ratio provides a wide and immersive viewing experience, making it ideal for watching movies, gaming, or multitasking. This monitor features Dell's Comfort View technology, which is TÜV certified for flicker-free viewing and reduced blue light emissions. This helps reduce eye strain, making it comfortable for long periods of use. The 75 Hz refresh rate provides smooth and fluid visuals, which is especially beneficial for gaming and multimedia content. While it's not as high as some gaming monitors, it's a significant improvement over the standard 60 Hz. With support for 16.7 million colors, the SC2722HX delivers vibrant and accurate color reproduction. Whether you're editing photos, watching videos, or working on graphic design projects, this monitor ensures your content looks fantastic. Number 4. Dell UltraSharp U2720Q. Unless you're a very serious gamer, the Dell UltraSharp U2720Q offers up just about everything you need in a display. Dell has offered both a 1440p and 4K version of this display, but we prefer the versatility of the high-resolution model. The U2720Q relies on in-plane shifting, IPS, tech, which provides punchier and more accurate colors all the way across the screen, including the edges where some of its competition start to show inconsistency. That makes this a solid option for people who do regular photo editing, video creation, or design work. Built-in HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C ports make it versatile for connectivity. It offers a pair of USB-A ports for connecting accessories, and it lacks speakers but includes a headphone jack for sound. All of that considered, this display performs above its mid-level price point and should feel at home on just about any desk that's not emblazoned with tons of RGB lighting. Number 5. Dell G3223Q. As hardware converges, so do PC and console gamers. Luckily, the Dell 3223Q serves both equally well. This 32-inch display promises true 4K resolution with a maximum 144 Hz refresh rate. It relies on AMD FreeSync Premium Pro to keep the computer's graphics card in lockstep with the display to prevent jitters and image tearing. This display offers DisplayPort connectivity and a USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 connection. More importantly, however, it also comes sporting a pair of HDMI 2.1 ports, making it capable of keeping up with the top resolution and frame rates you can find on current-gen gaming consoles like the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. The G3223Q meets the VESA HDR 600 standard, which promises ample contrast and super-rich color reproduction. That color performance also gets a goose from the monitor's wide color space support. It covers 95% of the wide DCI-P3 color gamut, which makes it a capable monitor for creators as well as gamers.